So it's interesting to see some people are needing now to record this because you need to keep track, right? So you might work with a partner, one person records. So you found 4 ways so far? Yep. Oh, one more. All right, I might pause there. And I might ask is this the Emerald crew? The Emerald crew? Emerald plus one. How many ways have you found?
Jeff and I found 3 because we didn't include 0. As we kept going, it was like the same thing again, just the numbers were in a different order.
Okay. How many ways you can partition at 3 times?
If you start with 1, there are 5 alternates. If you start with 2, there are 4. And if you start with the 3, I think there are 3.
So you found 10. You think you found 10 ways?
Well, I haven't started with 4 and I haven't started
Okay.
with 5.
Yeah. So I suppose the argument then comes, and this is something you can talk to your kids about, if you're doing this task, is there repeats in there? So are we going to keep the repeats, or is it going to be about, do different orders matter, or do they not? Are we going to exclude those? Because that's going to help with the rest of the task, because the rest of the task will then be, how many ways can you split it? 4 ways, 5, 6. And this is when you're starting off with, like I've done this sort of lesson with preps, okay, just splitting 6 or 7. But then when you're moving up into the year levels, you can start bringing in some algebra there. What's the pattern? How do we know? How many different ways is there to make 7, no matter how many ways we partition it? What if we partition it 7 ways, 6 ways, 5, 4? And it's a really good lesson to do with all of the year levels from grade 4, 5, 6. So this is a beautiful one, and it is a Maths 300 base lesson, and I've grabbed different ideas from that. But something you don't need to have Maths 300 to be able to do. Yep. And then your question could be, how can you find out how many different ways you can partition any number? Is there a pattern for that? What do you think of that? Yeah. The next one I'd like to do with you, which you'll probably need to get the wooden cubes out now, is to build a rectangular prism using 32 cubes.
So do we need 32?
Yep.
32. Oh, we need 32. So we can start by doing the area. Yep. And think about what our area is. We've got 32. Divide that by 32. Oh, yeah.